This video is not intended to be used for diagnosis of any medical condition. Patients seeking diagnosis should consult a physician. It is important for you to carefully read the owner's manual before operating. We will be going over the basics of using a manual wheelchair in this video. The most important thing to do when using your wheelchair is to lock the wheel locks before sitting and standing from the chair. To do so, simply push forward on the wheel lock tips until you feel it click into place securely. To unlock, pull the wheel locks towards you. The next feature we will discuss are the removable flip-back armrests. This may vary from model to model, but all will be similar. This chair has a black lever that you depress to release the armrest post to flip the arm back. There is also a lever on the back of the armrest. And when both are pushed in simultaneously, you can completely remove the armrest. Be sure to push down and click the armrest securely back in place. This chair also has height adjustable arm pads. To raise and lower, pull and release the lever just under the arm pad. Then slide the arm pad up and down the guide to the desired height. Once you find the height you're comfortable with, push the lever back in the locked position. This chair has swing-away footrests and can be removed by pushing inward on the silver lever under the chair. Pushing from outside in, continue to swing the footrest outwards, then lift straight up to remove the footrest from the pins. To put back, line up the holes, then push inwards to swing back into place. It will click when it is back in place securely. The footrest is also adjustable in height and has a heel loop for support. To adjust the height of the footrest, unlatch the black lever just below the adjustment holes. Then, by depressing the two buttons simultaneously, slide the footrest to your desired height. Once complete, secure the black lever back into place. Now we will go over how to collapse the wheelchair. To do so, you will want to grab on the front and rear of the seat upholstery and pull up. To open, you will need to locate the seat rails on either side and use both hands to push down and out, making sure your fingers are out of the way. For more information, check us out online.